Alright, so since the last video, guys, we've been dialing it in even more, back and forth, and dude, this thing is way more noticeably faster than it used to be, obviously because of the fueling and everything, but I'm ecstatic. So before we do even more tuning, we've done a couple wide open throttle tune, logs, and then he'd see how it is. It's all doing real good. So but before we do that and possibly up the boost, we're gonna go ahead and boost leak test. So I went to Home Depot, actually, just kidding, went to Lowe's, I forgot. I got these at AutoZone. They didn't have them at Lowe's. Now these ones are nice because drill a hole. Unlike I've seen in other videos where you get like the cheap valve stems, you push it through, and then you have to like silicone it or something. These actually screw down, so they're high performance. But got that. This little cap. Literally, these are $3. I think this was like $1 something. So super cheap. And then I just picked these up. I've heard mixed reviews on them, but I think they're $3. So I just got them. And yeah, let's get to making this. Drill a hole, put this through there, find the coupler I need, and then go from there. Shouldn't take too long. It's really simple. Just want to make sure we have no boost leaks before we start upping the boost and more wide open throttle pulls. So let's get to it. Alright, so I cleared off a space to work, coupler, open the valves. Also, I never showed in the other video, but 6-bolt head right here, missing a valve for some reason. That's intercooler piping. We should be able to use one of those couplers, so that's good. These, also he just found a good deal on a head and valve springs, retainers, all that, so that's be exciting. The way this works, it's pretty simple. Nice. You just drill a hole that size, stick it through. You got these pieces, and then a nut. High performance, baby. And you'll get the drill stuff. Alright, so I'm going to start just a small bit. Right in the center. Doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, so got that all done. Ooh, that thread barely sticks out. Yeah, that'll be sealed enough. Because it'll be pushing out anyways, so. Get a wrench, tighten it down. That's it. That's like a $3 boost leak tester. And I break it. But so unfortunately I don't have time today to be setting this up on the car and everything. I gotta go to a Christmas party. So I'll have to finish this tomorrow and see if we've got any boost leaks. But tester's made and done. See you guys in a minute. So what is going on, guys? It's day number 2, and this car severely needs some splash shields. But yeah, it's pretty pretty bad rain last night on the way home from work. But I gotta say, it is sure nice to be able to get in and drive this thing to work 25 miles each way. It's pretty rewarding. But I'm gonna do the boost leak test today, and just gotta take off the intake and I'll show you the boost leak. Alright, so here's the boost leak tester. I'm actually pretty proud. It looks real good. Even has a cap. But put this on. I'm gonna put it right here. You can put it on the compressor housing also, but I have this rubber insert from the intake you can put on the turbo, and that'll make it fit this 2-inch coupler perfectly. So I'm gonna get a hose clamp, and I'll bring it back. Alright, so dogs are getting a little rowdy in the back. That should be good. I mean, we're only gonna be holding like 20 pounds, you know? So that should be good. I have direct access to this nipple. And move this out the way too, actually. There's that. Okay, I'm gonna get the compressor. I'm gonna let it air up a little bit. I'm gonna put the regulator to like 20 psi, and then wait for this air conditioning unit to turn off, so then I can hear for leaks. So I'll let you see in a second. Somewhere on the intercooler, actually. It's leaking out that intercooler coupling right here. So the funny thing is, I've never noticed a boost leak. I don't know why, but it hasn't shown any signs of boost leaks or anything. But right here is definitely a boost leak. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna hit up this guy today, see if I can get a hard piping for the intercooler, and yeah, we'll see. I'll let you guys know what I'm gonna do in a minute. Maybe I'll have you know, something fabbed up for me for now, and maybe do that. We'll see. That's what I might do. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing on a drive, and you know, just show you how much better it is. I'm gonna put this back together. Super simple. Probably don't even care to see that. So other than that, just wanted to show you guys a boost leak test DIY. Super easy, super cheap. They sell them online, but you can't beat that. It's like $3. So I also went to the other guy's house today. Gonna be getting this valve cover welded up, probably some AN fittings welded on, and then we're gonna get it powder coated. So that's gonna be sick. I'll make that another video, stripping this down. Let me turn this mic around. Other than the valve cover, what I need to do is paint the wheels. I'm not doing that today. I really wanted to get them done before, because I might be going to Adam LZ's open house tomorrow, but I don't really care to bring this, to be honest. It's not, I don't know. I don't like the look of the wheels. I like them, but they're good from far, but far from good. Other than that, I want to get these holes. I guess these are plugged up. I need to get Dynamat, you know, because this is super loud and annoying. So I'm gonna get that Dynamated, and then what else? So get the wheels done. I need to get the brakes done, this valve cover fixed, that one boost leak, and she's gonna be good for a while until I can get some money saved up for a turbo, manifold, and something with the exhaust. So other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna take it on a driving video, do the little POV. Seemed like you guys like that, and I'll try to use this mic so it sounds better. And just, you know, sometimes it hits the roof, so it's kind of hard to fit in there, but we'll figure it out and get this back together, then go on the drive. All right, so everything's hooked up. It's very simple, and here's the cap for that. All right, so I think it's time to go on a drive now. All right, so it's I got my POV set up, and let's close this up. Let's get in the car. Let's shut my truck first. My bad. So turn that away. Let's see. See the camera microphone likes to hit the top, so that's why I took it off yesterday, but it's way better sound quality, so we'll see. Alright, so move the microphone closer to my cheek, see if that works better. So I'm just gonna let the car drive normally for a little bit and get the temps up. Should have brought my computer to data log, but oh well. So this road, when it rains a lot, gets a lot of puddles, and that one that I just went through, it is almost, you know, it's 100% unavoidable. So that's the only thing that sucks about when it rains a lot here. There's puddles up here, but you just have to drive like a drunk to get around them, and you'll be good. So the first time I took this thing on the road, this is the road I took it down before it was street legal. Again, I'm gonna wait till the temps go up to about 170, which is pretty much the middle of the gauge down here, and then I'll give her some poles. So I had the tuner, he checked over the logs last night I took driving to work and stuff. So they look perfect, they're cruising. So super happy about that. This car runs and drives 100% better I'm gonna get this boost leak figured out, and then we'll go ahead and try to get some more boost. And yeah, got a boost controller. Other than that, pretty much gonna leave it how it is, other than the brakes, and you know, save up. So in the meantime, we're gonna be working on my friend's car, so it's perfect that he has that, and that gives me time to save up for what I need to get and still be able to make content. Forgot another thing I need to do is I still need to put the one bolt in the transfer case. I forgot about that. But as long as I don't do digs and stuff, it should be fine. No launching. But yeah, I just wanted to include this clip because the audio should be quite a few better, and maybe you wanted to hear it, I don't know. And if you hear that noise, I don't know what that is. It's only when I hit full boost, so it's got me confused. It sounds like it's over here, over there. I've checked all the vacuum lines going to that. I've disconnected that, and I've still heard the noise. So I don't know what it is. But no big deal. I'm gonna get that boost leak figured out, and then once that's figured out, then I'll test for more, obviously. And we'll just go from there. Is this the road or no? See, I didn't ever think we had a boost leak because it holds boost just fine, and you know, gets on boost real quick. Just seems fine. Other time I've had a boost leak, you know, it wouldn't idle very good, and it also would just cut out, like fuel cut, boost cut, whatever you want to call it, and it would just be terrible. It's not a good feeling. But so I'll get this fixed when I get it fixed. And I also just remembered that I need to hook up this oil gauge. Still waiting on that stuff from the guy. Still haven't gotten the line. Just gonna have to buy one now, so no big deal. I want to go by the lake. Alright guys, so unfortunately the battery's about to die, so that's going to conclude the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.